Lost on my energy, serenity. Found who I wanna be. The girl I see, she's finally free. You called me on a Sunday night. I wasn't trying.
This is the final result of my new vanity table. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And my husband even said that it did not take that much time for it to put together because for the most part, all the individual cabinets were already screwed together. And we just had to basically puzzle and attach the big compartments together. For example, my husband had to install the legs over here to the desk. And then we had to attach the desk onto the shelves over here.
What I needed, a fresh start. Lights on my face, I put you in your place. Let that man go, let that man go, let that man go.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the stool because that was the first thing that caught my eyes when I was looking for a new vanity. Initially, I thought the stool would be heavier, but girl, it is pretty darn light. Another key thing I liked about the stool is that the velvet texture of the stool feels very, very soft, and I just by the feel of it, I just believe that this stool is gonna last me for a very long time, and I do not think that it will have any kind of wears and tears anytime soon. One thing my husband brought up was that I could get a little rug and put it underneath my stool, but if I do that, we're blocking the heat ventilator, so I don't know yet. And I'm okay if I don't have a rug to go underneath this, but I probably look more aesthetic if I do, so we'll see. And right here we have these gorgeous golden legs holding the table. It's so aesthetic. I mean, I have no idea how else to explain it. Just look at it. It's so gorgeous. I almost forgot to mention where I got my vanity from. I got this from Homery Online. I'll make sure to link this down below, and other affordable options. I believe I got this just under $500. I know that's pretty expensive for a vanity table, but girl, I've seen some on their website that will go up to $1,000 to $2,000. So for this price, I think it's reasonable, and you get this gorgeous outcome. Plus the packaging is just impeccable. I love how the grooves turned out on these cabinets. I was really scared because I thought the grooves would be deeper than this or just look too tacky, but I decided to take the risk, and I really like it because the grooves are actually not that deep. I think it's just enough to make the whole vanity pop out a little bit more. Ladies, if you love getting ready in the morning and you just have to be in the right aesthetics vibes, like, just check out this mirror. It's so gorgeous. It just makes me want to get up and get ready for work every day. And you guys, I kid you not, when I go to work, I don't even do my hair and makeup how I used to anymore. Maybe because after having a kid, I'm just like a busy mom and busy being a wife and making YouTube videos. But now I just feel so more pumped to make videos for you guys. The mirror doesn't come with LED lights, but that's not a problem because we can just order one off of Amazon Prime, and my husband will just install it. And I'm okay without the lights too because my table is placed right in front of the windows where I can get some natural lights. Now we're going to get inside this table and see what's hiding in here. I don't have that much makeup. The first drawer comes with 3 compartments. On this upper corner I have, what's this? Oh, these are ColourPop glitter eyeshadows. I got in a gold and a silver. This is really nice because these do not sting my eyes. I used to have the Stella glitter eyeshadows, but honey, those stung my eyes. So I'm glad I decided to get these. Plus, they're very cheap. And I just have a little bit more eye products, eyebrow pluckers, eyelash glue, my Honest Beauty liquid eyeliner, my bronzer right here that my friend gave me, and I have used this for a very long time now. And I think it's just the trial size. And I'm surprised that I still have quite a bit left in here. Ta-da! This has been my go-to color for eyeshadow, contouring, and bronzing. Like, it just works with everything. So totally love that. A new makeup brand that I recently discovered and I kind of like is by Youngblood. They are known for vegan, free, clean-free luxury makeup. So if you're into that type of stuff, I'll definitely check it out. This is a setting powder, yeah. A setting powder in the color medium. Here we have lipsticks. I am a lipstick junkie. If anything, I love lipsticks and foundation. These two are my newest lipsticks from the brand Kaken. I got these off of Amazon. This is so gorgeous, and I'm gonna show you guys here. Wow, look at the gorgeous artwork on this lipstick. This is a lipstick that I would not want to wear. I think I've only worn it once. I don't wear this lipsticks often because these are my special occasion lipsticks. I am into dark reds, purples, and raspberry colors. Oh, and here's my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And over here is where I keep my eyeshadows, blushes, primers, and liquid foundation. Another makeup brand I recently discovered is the Jane Iredale. They are also known for vegan-free, cruelty makeup and clean makeup. So if you're into that, make sure to check out Jane Iredale. Right now, I haven't really decided which makeup I really like foundation-wise, but right now I am stuck between the Jane Iredale, the Born This Way matte foundation, and the Blood. But this is a setting powder. I really like this as a setting powder, but skin foundation to cover my acne spots and those scars, I'm usually in between the Born This Way and the Jane Iredale. These are blushes by Persona. I love Persona. This is an independent makeup brand based in Los Angeles. The owner name, I think her name is Sonia Gaspar. She is so sweet. I love how the way she does her makeup. Very sultry. I don't like anything trendy. My Cover FX, I think, what is this? Oh, a blush duo. These colors are super pigmented. Sometimes I use this color here as an eyeshadow base, or I would wear a brown eyeshadow. Then I use this shimmer to go over on top of it just so I can blend it. This right here is my Tom Ford eyeshadow palette. I don't wear this often. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I feel. And as you can see, I don't have that many eyeshadow colors. I just have this one and my bronzer here that I use more than the Tom Ford. And this is how it looks like. And this right here is my everyday makeup kit. This is what I put in my purse mainly. I got a pen, I got my lip balm here. This is my everyday lipstick color by Charlotte Tilbury. I think I got this for about 30 to 38 bucks. Pretty expensive, but I like it a lot. So I did not mind rebuying this. My setting spray by Jane Iredale. Kiss Glue lipstick. Not lipstick. I mean nail glue, okay? Because sometimes I wear Kiss nails. It just depends. Sometimes I don't always want to do my nails and I just get press-on nails. Okay, so that's that for this drawer. So we're going to go to this one. This side, this is where I'm keeping all of my perfumes. I have 2 Chloe perfumes. My Marc Jacobs perfume, a Body Shop, Bath & Body Works body spray, my hair clip from Target. This is super cute. I have it in this peachy orange color and another one in like a smoky gray and white cloudy color. Over here, I just have 2 different types of nail kits. Nail clippers and tweezers, etc. And this first drawer is where I'm keeping my everyday hot styling tools. So that would be 2 of my curling irons. This one's by Conair. I am on the lookout for a very good curling iron that will make my curls last long. And so far, the Conair curling iron is my favorite curling iron from the drugstore and just from anything else I've ever tried. My most recent purchase for a hot tool is this one by Paul Mitchell. I got it from Amazon, but to be honest, I don't really like it because it makes my hair too smooth and the curls don't last that long. But I'm just using it until I find a better one. And really, I want to buy the Dyson hair wrap kit, and that one's, I think that kit is about $500 to $600, but it's always out of stock and I just want to get it to try. Right here is a flat iron I got from Sally Beauty. I do like this one a lot. They have another version from the same brand that I wanted to try, but the one I really want to get was out of stock, so I just got another version from the same brand. And then down here is where I keep my nail supplies. Alright, so we have my LED light because I like to use gel polish. I don't use a regular nail polish because I'm too impatient. Lint-free wipes. My Amazon nail drill kit. I don't really like this nail drill kit because oh, excuse me, I can't talk right now. Yeah, I don't really like this drill kit because not all the, I don't know what you call these, not all the drill bits work on this tool. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not doing something right here. And down here is where I keep all of my fun nail supplies. And another reason why I decided to get this vanity because I needed enough space to hold all of my nail supplies. Currently, I am using the Care Sky Jelly Tip system. I haven't used it in a while because it takes me about 4 hours to complete 10 fingers. And that is a lot of time when I am busy working full-time and I'm a mom and a wife. Because the thing, if you ever use the Care Sky Jelly Tips, the thing is that you have to So when you're using the Cure Sky jelly tips, and these are soak-offs, you have to buff underneath the nail to give some adhesion so that the gel glue will stick onto your natural bed. So that's the one thing I don't like about these. I wish that these would come pre-shaved or pre-textured down here, so it just saved me a lot more time. But right now I do use them once in a while, but if I don't have any time, then I use my Kiss press-on nails. And then over here we have my favorite cuticle oil I got from Amazon. I love that this oil dries my fingers really quick and it does not make my fingers feel greasy, so that's really good. And over here we have all my gel polishes. I really like gel polishes from the Cure Sky brand. This one's my favorite color. It feels very spring and summery. It's just a pretty baby blue color. But my favorite neutral color would be this one. It's like a sheer mauve. And these right here are gel polishes by Model Ones. I also got off of Amazon. And these are a bunch of nail decors I got from Amazon. Rhinestones on stickers. Oh, and this right here is just my press-on toenails by Kiss. I wanted to bring the whole aesthetics out of this table, so what I did was I just finished it off by adding this little ring holder. I got this as a Christmas gift from one of my sister-in-laws. I added a flower here. And this makeup holder for brushes was also gifted to me by my sister-in-law for last Christmas. And here I have my mascara, my red lipstick, Marc Jacobs gel eye pencil, and my LA Colors eyebrow pencil. And you guys, I am not the best at putting on or drawing my eyebrows, but I really like the LA Colors because it's sharp and it does not feel greasy. Plus, I got it for just $3. I don't think people can tell that I got $3 eyebrow product down versus the $20 product. So check it out if you're looking to save money. And over here, we just got my makeup brushes. But yeah, I really like the makeup brush holder because it just fits the whole aesthetics here with the vanity. And then over here, and then to the left of the mirror, we also have this box. I was getting ready to throw this away so I can make more room inside my room. But I was like, you know what? I'm just going to keep it because I think the black here and the gold detail really makes my vanity stand out more. It just looks so aesthetics. So let's take a peek inside. Oops. So inside of here is where I am keeping my everyday skincare products. I do have hormonal adult acne, and that has spiked up since my first pregnancy. My acne is doing a lot better now, and this is what I'm currently using for my acne. I'm using this clindamycin in the morning, and then at night I use this, I can't even pronounce it, Tazarotene lotion. It's like a type of retinol A. This is to help lighten my acne, my dark acne spots. Aquifer, I use this for my lips and my face and around my nose. Okay, so this is Axone. I use this for my big zits. This helps to reduce acne inflammation. My favorite lotion right now is by Cetaphil. Deodorant and whitening cream for my armpits because if you've ever been pregnant, you know that your intimate parts do get darker. So I use this one for my armpits and it works pretty good. And over here is my honey care mask. I have 2 packs. I've heard so many great reviews about the honey care mask and I decided to get it. I used to get facials, microderms, and like chemical pills for my adult acne, but it got really expensive and I needed an affordable but super effective alternative. So this is what I found online, and so far I really like it. I'm thinking about making a full review about this after I finish 2 of my kits. If you're interested in that, let me know as well. There's one thing I really want to buy from the honey care line is their emulsion bottle. These are just samples, and the emulsion is like a facial hydrator, but it does not feel like a lotion, which is why I really like it, so I'm planning on getting it. I want to say thank you very much to my husband, Mr. K.O. Chain, for gifting me my vanity table. And you guys, so here's the backstory of why I haven't got this vanity table. I didn't even want a vanity table because I'm not a makeup person. As you can As you saw, I don't collect that much makeup. I just like to have enough to make me feel good every day, and on those special nights I don't feel extra glamorous. So one day my husband came home and noticed that my makeup was just on the carpet, and you guys, I just had like the most jankiest makeup setup. I was like doing my makeup sitting on the carpet, and when he came in one day, he just like, you know what, my wife needs to upgrade. Okay, that's what he's trying to tell me in a nice way. So when I started to look for a vanity, I went on Amazon because I was looking for cheaper options, and I wanted to get here soon because I have Amazon Prime. But although the options I saw on Amazon were affordable, I wasn't really feeling the aesthetics. So if you're someone who wants something more aesthetics, I will say check out Homry. On Homry, they had so many gorgeous options. Like they had tables I wanted that were up to $1,000 to $2,000, but that was just not in my budget right now because we have other financial goals that we're trying to reach. So I settled on this one for about $500, and the size is perfect. I love the colors. It just meets my needs right now, so I'm glad I decided to get this. Homry has so many gorgeous home decor options, you guys. And another thing is that if you guys ever do shop on Homry, by the way, this video is not sponsored. We used our own money to buy this table for me, and I just want to share the experience with you guys in case you're on a similar journey. The thing about Homry is if you ever shopped on there, it takes about 5 to 8 weeks for the item to get to your house, and that includes processing time because it took me about, I think exactly 4 weeks for the vanity table to arrive from China to New Jersey, and then within 24 hours, I got my vanity table. But in two folds though. So the first 2 boxes arrived the next day, and then the last 2 boxes got here 2 days later. So very fast shipping, great customer service. Anytime I sent an email out to the agent, I got a reply from her within 2 days. So that's one thing I really like about Homry. And one thing they did mention on their website is that they have excellent customer service. So, you know, I can vouch to that. So I'm gonna start doing my makeup now because I'm talking too much.
Gourmet struggle lunch for the kids is like some tuna and some white rice. But you know, I'll put some peas and some tomatoes. It's not. This isn't what I planned for you. This is not what, and I'm happy it's out of focus because this is not how this space was meant. What I want to get done for the week. All the glamour of this morning has left. I'm tired. These kids, woo! It's grotesque how bad this looks. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up now with collagen. So Mike's grandma makes jam for us every Christmas. It's lit, and she's like 90. She's actually 90. Businessy stuff.
Tom and Jerry, the movie, rated PG. The secret's out. Hurry into your Nissan store.
Good job. Time's running out.
Mike is loving this. Yo, Grandma's Tabery jam is finished. You're so good to me, Tabery. So I've just had like a really big phone call. I have something super big happening this week. This is when I'm the most anxious, and I know I'm smiling, but right now I'm like having a little bit of a mental meltdown after having this phone call right now because it's like.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video today. I make videos about affordable luxury fashion or how to look luxurious on a budget. I'll see you guys next time. Say goodbye. Look at the camera.